Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 54-piece acrylic art set. My kids are so excited to try this out because it has everything you need, whether you're a beginner or you've been doing art for quite a while. This has it all. It has 2 different sketch pads. It has a palette, it has a wooden easel, paintbrushes, 24 different paints, sponges, you got canvas. Here is this really nice case that actually has a handle on it, so you can put all your things inside of here and carry it with you. It also has a little locking mechanism to where it won't just open up on you. So you just undo the lock right there, and then this will then open up. You have different levels that you can then put your easel on here. All sorts of different ways to do it. Put this up or down. And this is a great little way to be able to do your artwork on the go. Whether that's in the car or you're just sitting at your bed and you're wanting to do some art, you can easily put your things on here. So I'm gonna bring you in here close and we'll take a look at all this stuff. So right here, there is a drawer that you unlock both sides and it pulls out all of your different paints. You've got 12 different paint brushes. You have different painting like palette knives, so you can scoop your paint on and mix it around onto your nice little palette here. It's got a little holder too. So we are going to try this thing out. So my kids have quickly went to work with this. My son's playing with the sketch pad. My daughter's just doing all the things paint. She loves acrylic paints. But these little knives, I wanted to show you, they've got different styles of the knife. So depending on what you're wanting to use it for, they also have a little hole at the top. So if you did want to attach them all together, that's a nice way to store them. And then the paint brushes are great quality. There's all sorts of different sizes and shapes that you will be able to use. This is a really nice set that can be used at home, at school, or as a great gift.